right, hello and welcome. Brett here with clickmail.co. So in this video, I'm going to give you a tour around the Google Tag Manager account so that you can get familiar with it with me. So let's go ahead. I'm going to share my screen with you. And this is just going to precede the building process here inside Google Tag Manager. So on your screen, you will see the Google Tag Manager account. And so we're going to run through a few things just to familiarize ourselves with the landscape. So if I wanted to create a new tag, I could come here and you can see add a tag, and now we're creating a tag. We'll get into that later on. We can see a description of that tag. We can see, you see we're in the overview tab here. And now editing, and you can see we do have a couple things in here. I'm actually filming this last because I wanted to have a few things in here to show you. And then in the next video, you're going to see we're starting from scratch and starting to go through the actual build process. But you'll see here, we've got 3 tags. We've modified one of them. This is the latest version, is version 2. We go over later when you go ahead and submit and update this, you update the version. And so you have versions that, what do you want to say? Version 2, version 3, version 4. And if something were to break when you update, when you make a new tag, when you build a new something, then you can revert back to the prior version and you're going to be okay. So that's what this is showing us. And then you've got Workspace changes here. So you can see the most recent changes. We were filming this 3 hours ago. And so you can see those changes in there. You can see it was a change to a tag in those cases. Now, if it was a change to a trigger or a change to a variable, you would be seeing those in there as well. So this is the overview tab. In the next video, we'll go over the tags, triggers, variables, folders, and templates. We probably don't really need to look into very much, but we'll be going through these right here. And then we'll show you here, versions and then admin. So you kind of understand the layout, and we're going to build our account. So we'll see you in the next video where we're going to look at tags.